Page 1. Miku's Manual. Miku's Manual. Complete guide to the automated construction, configuration, and operation of this channel. Model. MKSMN 2026 EN. Version 1.0, First Edition. Voices. Hatsune Miku, AI, times 12 languages. Content. Instruction manuals, product guides, technical documents. Operator. Automated. No human intervention required after setup. Please read all instructions before operating this channel. Miku cannot see images. This is a non-limitation. She will tell you when there is an image. Page 2. Important safety information. Read all instructions before operating this channel. Retain these instructions for future reference. Do not discard this manual. Warning. Do not exceed 6 video uploads per day on a standard YouTube Data API v3 quota. 10,000 units/day. Each upload consumes 1,600 units. Exceeding this limit will result in quota termination and no uploads until midnight UTC the following day. Warning. Do not expose your API keys, OAuth tokens, or client_secrets.json to any third party or public repository. Treat these as passwords. Compromise of these credentials may result in unauthorized use of your YouTube channel and associated Google account. Caution. Applio requires its own Python environment, install.bat. Do not run applio_infer.py with the system Python. Applio_infer.py locates and uses Applio's bundle Python automatically. If Applio reports missing dependencies, open Applio GUI and perform one inference manually to trigger dependency setup. Caution. Miku cannot see images. When image content is detected on a page, she will acknowledge its existence and continue reading. She will not describe the image. This is, by design, not a malfunction. Note. The Viral Public License, viralpubliclicense.org, applies to all content produced by this channel. All rights reversed. Redistribution is permitted and encouraged, subject to the conditions of that license. Note. The Sabbath, Saturday, is observed by this channel. No uploads are scheduled on Saturdays. Community posts in Hebrew are published on Saturdays in its place. This is intentional. Intended use. This channel is designed for the automated, unattended production and publication of audiovisual readings of product instruction manuals, owner's guides, assembly instructions, safety sheets, and technical documents. The voice talent is Hatsune Miku, AI. The audience is general. The operator is not required to be present during normal operation. Page 3. Table of contents. 1. Product overview. 1. 2. Concept and origin. 1. 3. System requirements. 2. 3.1 Hardware. 2. 3.2 Software dependencies. 2. 3.3 Required accounts. 2. 4. Package contents. 3. 5. Pre-installation. 3. 5.1 Create YouTube channel. 3. 5.2 Google Cloud Console. 3. 5.3 OAuth credentials. SOAR. 6. Installation. SEER. 7. Configuration. 5. 7.1 config.ini reference. 5. 7.2 Voice configuration. 5. 8. Acquiring manuals. 6. 8.1 fetch_manuals.py. 6. 8.2 manual queue. 6. 9. Operation. 7. 9.1 Extracting manual text. 7. 9.2 Translation. 7. 9.3 Voice synthesis. 7. 9.4 Video production. 8. 9.5 Upload to YouTube. 8. 10. Upload schedule. 8. 11. Maintenance. 9. 12. Troubleshooting. 9. 13. Technical specifications. 10. 14. Regulatory compliance. 11. Miku's manual. Model, MKSMN 2026 EN Rev 1.0. Copyleft, C, all rights reversed, Viral Public License, viralpubliclicense.org. Page 4. 1. Product Overview. Miku's Manual is an automated YouTube channel. It produces audio-visual readings of product instruction manuals in multiple languages. The reader is Hatsune Miku, rendered by the infamous _Miku _V2 RVC voice model running locally via Akuyo. No human reads any text aloud. No human is present during normal operation. Content is sourced from ManualsLab, manualslab.com, a publicly accessible repository of product instruction. Manuals covering categories from kitchen appliances to industrial equipment. Manuals are selected randomly. The selection is not curated. Miku does not have preferences. Each manual is read in its entirety. The table of contents is read. The safety warnings are read. The troubleshooting section is read. The regulatory compliance appendix is read. When Miku encounters a page containing only an image, she acknowledges the image and continues reading. She does not skip anything. 1.1 Intended use. This channel is intended for general audiences. It is not intended for audiences seeking practical assembly. Guidance. Viewers requiring assistance with actual product assembly should consult the original manufacturers. Documentation directly. Miku accepts no liability for incorrectly assembled furniture. 2. Concept and origin. This channel was conceived during the construction of a separate automated pipeline, designated the Spitzenkorbel hermetic pipeline, which produced readings of Western esoteric texts in 22 voices, including Hatsune Miku and Kasami Tero across 10 languages. During that project, the operator identified that the same infrastructure, PDF text extraction, machine translation, AI voice synthesis, automated video production, and YouTube upload, could be applied to any category of document. The question of which documents to read was considered. Product instruction manuals were selected. The reasoning was as follows. Instruction manuals are written in a register that is technically precise, emotionally flat, and structurally rigid. Hatsune Miku's synthesized voice shares several of these properties. The combination was judged appropriate. L note on origin. The original pipeline, hermetic pipeline, remains operational and continues to produce esoteric audiobook content independently. This channel, Miku's Manual, is a parallel system sharing the same voice model and core architecture. They do not share a queue. The decision to read manuals verbatim, including all safety warnings, legal disclaimers, and image placeholders, was made deliberately. Editing or summarizing the source text was considered and rejected. The manual is read as written. 3. System requirements. 3.1 Hardware. The following hardware configuration is required for unattended overnight operation. Lower specifications may cause processing delays but will not prevent operation. Component. Minimum. Recommended. Miku's Manual. Model, MKSMN 2026 EN Rev 1.0. Copyleft, C, all rights reversed, Viral Public License, viralpubliclicense.org. Page 5. Operating System. Windows 10 64-bit. Windows 10 11 64-bit. RAM 8 GB. 16 GB. GPU Non-CPU mode, slow. NVIDIA GPU with 4 GB plus VRAM, CUDA. Storage 20 GB free. 100 GB free. Internet required. Stable broadband. SFMPEG. D4.x plus. D6.x plus, on path. Applio. D3.x, with install.bat run. Latest release, CUDA build. 3.2 software dependencies. The following Python packages are required. Install using the command specified in section 6. Package. Purpose. Timeouts. PDF text and image extraction. Pillow. Thumbnail image processing. Deep Translator. Google Translate, free tier, no API key. Edge TTS. Microsoft Edge Neural TTS, base voice before RVC. Requests. HTTP client for manual sub scraping. Beautiful Soup 4. HTML parsing for manual sub scraping. Google API Python client. YouTube Data API v3 client. Google Auth YouTube OAuth 2.0 authentication. Google Auth HitGlib 2. HTTP transport for Google Auth. Report Lab. PDF generation, used to produce this document. 3.3 required accounts and software. Google account, YouTube channel ownership and API access. Google Cloud Console, YouTube Data API v3 project and OAuth credentials. Applio, local RVC inference engine. Install from github.com/iahispano/applio. Place. infamous_Miku_b2.pth and c:\applio/Miku/. Manuals lib, no account required. Manuals are publicly accessible. GitHub, optional, for distributing episode bundles via GitHub releases. Miku's manual. Model, MKSMN 2026 EN, Rev 1.0. Copyleft, C, all rights reversed, viral public license, viralpubliclicense.org. Page 6. Seer. Package contents. The following files are included in this installation at c:\Mikus manual \. Verify all items are present before proceeding. File. Function. auto_pipeline.py. Main orchestrator. Entry point for all operations. fetch_manuals.py. Downloads PDF manuals from manuals lib. fillsq.txt. extract_manual.py. Extracts and cleans text from PDF. Handles images. Miku_tts.py. Coordinates voice synthesis. Calls edge_tts then. Applio_infer. Edge_tts.py. Microsoft Edge Neural TTS. Produces the base carrier audio. Applio_infer.py. Runs Applio RVC inference locally. Converts base audio to Miku. Translate.py. Translates text to target language via Google Translate. Make_video.py. Renders MP4, thumbnail background plus teal waveform. Upload_YouTube.py. Uploads MP4 files to YouTube. Enforces daily quota cap. Test_Miku.py. Quick voice test. Verifies Miku and Applio are operational. Build_first_manual.py. Generates this document. Run once. Config.ini. All configuration. Edit before first run. Setup.txt. Step-by-step setup instructions in plain text. Queue.txt. Manual processing queue. 1 PDF path per line. Manual / directory. Place source PDF files here. Episode / directory. Output audio and video files go here. _voice_test / directory. Test_Miku.py output files go here. Miku's manual. Model, MKSMN 2026 EN Rev 1.0. Copyleft, C, all rights reversed, viral public license, viralpubliclicense.org. Page 7. 5. Peer installation. Complete all steps in this section before proceeding to section 6. These steps require a web browser and cannot be automated. 5.1 Create YouTube channel. Miku's manual requires a dedicated YouTube channel separate from any existing channels on your account. Step 1. Navigate to youtube.com and sign in with your Google account. Step 2. Click your profile picture, top right corner, click Create a channel. Step 3. Select Use a custom name. Step 4. Enter channel name, Miku's manual. Step 5. Click Create. You will be redirected to YouTube Studio. Step 6. Upload your channel banner and profile image via YouTube Studio customization. Step 7. Record your channel ID from YouTube Studio Settings Channel Advanced Settings. Step 8. Verify your channel at youtube.com/verify. Enter your phone number. Verification is required to upload videos longer than 15 minutes. Most manual parts will exceed this limit. Complete this step before first upload. All required. Channel verification. Unverified YouTube channels cannot upload videos longer than 15 minutes. A manual. Part of 1,800 words read at Miku's pace produces approximately 10 to 20 minutes of audio. Go to youtube.com/verify and verify with your phone number before running the pipeline. This takes under 2 minutes. Our community posts. Community posts are available immediately on new channels with 0 subscribers. Now, subscriber threshold is required. Posts can be created via YouTube Studio Create. Create post. Community post automation via the YouTube Data API v3 requires the Community Post resource, which uses the same OAuth credentials already configured for uploads. 5.2 Google Cloud Console. A Google Cloud project is required to obtain YouTube Data API v3 credentials. Create a new project dedicated to this channel. Step 1. Navigate to console.cloud.google.com. Step 2. Click Select a project, top left, New Project. Step 3. Set project name to Miku's manual, click Create. Step 4. With the new project selected, navigate to APIs and Services Library. Step 5. Search for YouTube Data API v3, select it, click Enable. Step 6. Navigate to APIs and Services OAuth consent screen. Step 7. Select user type, external, click Create. Step 8. Set app name to Miku's manual. Enter your email in the required fields. Step 9. Click Save and continue through all remaining steps without changes. Miku's manual. Model, MKSMN 2026 EN Rev 1.0. Copyleft, C, all rights reversed, viral public license, viralpubliclicense.org.